Hey, what's up? Brian Parody, Bones to Bulk. All right, today I want to just walk you through kind of how I go about constructing a lot of my meals. And you can do a lot of variation with very little food, and I kind of want to walk you through that. So, I always start off with a source of protein, and usually my top three picks are ground turkey, fish, which I've got tilapia and salmon here, or chicken, which I'm out of. That's why I don't have a package to show you. Tomorrow's shopping day. But so I start off with a meat, and every single meat I cook, whether it's chicken or turkey or fish, I use olive oil, pour some in the pan, sear it so it's really nice and cooked, and then I start working on my sides. Now, before we move on though, there's a lot of different ways to flavor up your chicken. Spices are a great way to do it. These are some of my favorite. Pretty much every time I'm cooking, for sure chicken and fish, it gets garlic and onion powder. Both of these together make it taste amazing, I'm telling you. If I'm going for kind of an Asian flair, I will use the ground ginger along with maybe a little bit of soy sauce and some onion and garlic. This is like one of those multi-spices that's salt-free, and I like it also on chicken sometimes for a change. And then usually everything also gets some pepper. So those are kind of the spices I like to use. Now, we've got my meat. How do I change it up and do different things? So first off with sides. So I've got rice, quinoa, and red potatoes. Those are my favorite types of potatoes. Sweet potatoes are good too if you like them. I'm not a huge fan of sweet potatoes. I know that's like the thing you don't say when you're into fitness, because it's, you got to eat chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli 5 times a day, right? But not a big fan. So I usually opt for rice, quinoa, or red potatoes. All these are super easy to cook. Pour them in some water, boil it, cook it on low for like 20 minutes after it boils, and you're good to go with those. So that's usually my side. Again, these are healthy carbohydrates, and you should be eating them because they're good for you. The next thing I do is a veggie. So I love broccoli. I usually keep the frozen broccoli on hand just because that way I don't have to worry about it going bad if I don't use it a day. You can get fresh broccoli as well. This is like a green bean mixture. I also am, I enjoy this. But some other good veggies, like there really isn't a bad vegetable. So if you don't like this stuff, get something you do like. And fresh is always the best option. Frozen is the second best, and then canned is last best. So that's kind of the order if you're trying to decide, do I get fresh, do I get canned, do I get frozen? That's the order I would go in. Again, I like frozen because I don't have to worry about stuff spoiling as much. Then basically the way you kind of mix up your meals so that it gets a lot of variety, you can serve them all individually. You can have your slab of meat and your complex carb and then your veggie all spread out and just kind of season each one individually. Or you can make a lot of stir fries, different things like that. So I really like Asian stir fries. So again, I'll do soy sauce and ginger. I'll cut up the chicken or the ground turkey and basically serve it over the rice with vegetables mixed in. Another way I like to do things is salsa makes everything taste better. So I'll do the same thing with rice or quinoa. I'll cook it, put the meat over top of it, the veggies over top of it, dump some salsa all over it, and then add some hot sauce. Another great one I like. Again, if I'm eating stuff individually, that's cool too. I'll usually just, eat my fish or chicken or whatever. Sometimes I'll dip it in salsa. This is really good. This G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. Is it the best thing in the world for you? No, it does have some artificial sweeteners in it. However, it's 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. It's freaking incredible compared to regular barbecue sauce, which is loaded with sugar and calories. So this is my favorite choice. You can get it on Amazon. Walmart sells it. Like, you can get this stuff anywhere. And I'll just season up usually my rice or my quinoa or my potatoes with those things and then eat stuff individually. So, eating healthy and eating a variety meal plan doesn't have to be complicated. Like, this is all very basic, very inexpensive, cheap things that you can throw together and really get good different meals out of. So I hope this gives you some different ideas. If so, please subscribe to the channel. I would be greatly appreciative, and remember, you've got this.